What up, guys? BigBoxBreaks.ucreate.com. Break number 125 is actually overfilled. Our 2-box Blaster and Black Diamond. So, one guy did drop out 2 spots, and also a Boyer. I'm going to give you a free spot my next Black Diamond Series 1, or yeah, Black Diamond Series 1 here break. Do have another couple boxes. So everybody who bought a spot here is in it. So let's go ahead and do the randoms. I got my Excel set up. So let's start with the teams. 3 times, guys. Oh yeah, and then also if you bought on my site, you are eligible to win a free spot in my next break. So, like it says in the description. So let's go 3 times here. 1, 2, 3. I'll show you guys the teams here. Devils up top. Okay. Copy. Paste. Again. Okay. Now, guys, people in the break. 1, 2. That's 3. Did it go? Copy. Paste. And all my breaks, I always put this in the description below. Come on, focus. There we go. Oh. So Devils go to Melon Effect, Wild. 9-2 John F. Sabres, Ron McKay. Columbus, Cake. Penguins, Sidney Crosby. Weird. Red Wings, Jay Bro. Ducks, Gwar. You see it there. Nashville and Canucks is Joe Calm. Dallas is Bjorn McDonald. Calgary is Joe Calm. LA is Les Fell. Florida is Broco. Blues is Louis Marr. Bruins is 9-4 Dennis. Tampa Bay is FFRAGAXJXKLMNOP. You see your name there. Capitals is Blues. Ottawa is Marco Polo. Oilers, Ron McKay. Canadiens, D. Horkey. Coyotes is J. Chaba 23. Rangers is Sidney Crosby. Sharks is Broco. Hawks is Marco Polo. Avalanche is Cake. Flyers is Marco Polo. Toronto is Paul. Hurricanes is Cougar Nut. Jets is Cake. And Islanders is Cake. So, guys, I'll put this in the description below. And as always, go to the spot and bust the box.
Okay, guys, let's get to it. I'll put the Black Diamond aside. Start with the Blaster. Not sure what's all in blasters, but all hits go. Empty. Base for the Wild, Zach Parise. Base. Base pack. Young Guns for the Jets, Andrew Kopp. Young Guns for the Jets. Not sure how many Young Guns you get in a box. 1 or 2. I know it's not 3 because that's the tins. Nope, checklist isn't a hit. Just the Young Guns one. Base. There we go. Nazem Kadri for the Leafs. Canvas. Base. Oh, nice. Young Guns Canvas checklist. Or duel. Eichel and Larkin. That's a nice hit. That'll be randomed. Sabres and Red Wings. 2 good rookies. Pretty good hit there. We got a blue. Alex Pietrangelo for the St. Louis Blues. Base. For the Predators, Shea Weber. Base. Base. Oh, Young Guns for the Kings. Jordan Wheel. 2 Young Guns, I guess. Well, technically 3. That canvas one. Base pack. 2 packs left. Base pack. Last pack. Base pack. So, not a bad blaster. Young Gun there. Canvas one. That one's pretty sweet. I'll put them in here. Okay. Main event, guys. Our exquisite pack. Empty. Start with the exquisite. For the Tampa Bay Lightning. Who is this? Slather Corkicure. 1 color. Exquisite. $2.99. That was 1 color patch. Okay. You get a decoy. Boston Bruins. Tuukka Rask, Black Diamond Black card, I guess. That's out of 99. Sweet card. Next hit. Ooh. Ho, sick. Sick patch. Who is this? Jacob Delarose for the Montreal Canadiens. Wow. Nasty shit. Cool. Rookie Gems. Who's this for? It's out of 99 auto. Real sweet card. Holy shit. Nikolai Ehlers for the Winnipeg Jets. Out of 99. Wow. Nice cards. My first personal look at these. And our last card is a booklet. Who's this? Emily Poirier for the Flames. Dual jersey. Not too bad. Too bad that wasn't autoed. For the Calgary Flames. So nice shit here. Nice stuff, this Black Diamond. So, we'll have to go back to the spot, guys, and do the free spot random and for the canvas checklist.
Hits again. Shining Stars, blue and red. 2 Young Gun cards. Canvas Kadri. Parisi Portrait. Exquisite. Really cool set. Tuukka Rask. Our booklet for the Flames. Jets. Ehlers. Delarose Ottawa patch. And Eichel and Larkin checklist. So let's do the random for that. 3 times. 2 and 3. Wings. And if you read this description, bottom of my site, you did not get a spot or a hit, you are eligible for a free spot in my next break. So 3 times here. 1, 2, free spot. J.C. Hava. So thanks a lot, guys. I'll have the other box break for Black Diamond and another Series 1. I do have them right here. So thanks a lot, guys, and check out my site, bigboxbreaks.ecrater.com. Thank you.